Hišani, navadna hiša, res ni hiša kar tako. To hiša je eksperimentov, v njej vedoželjnim je lepo.
All right, so we just wrapped up another episode of Little Shop of Physics Live, and this one was about rocks, and we're going to pause because this is a very, very special day for some very, very good friends of the Little Shop of Physics. And I think, are you folks ready to sing?
I think so.
I think we're ready. Okay, who wants to get us started?
I think you should, Brian.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hišo Eksperimentov. Happy birthday to you. And Hišo Eksperimentov is this amazing science museum in Slovenia, and they've been going for 25 years.
Well, that's 5 years older than me.
But 5 years younger than the Little Shop of Physics. We've been doing this for about 30 years. And so we want to say happy birthday to our respected younger sibling, Hišo Eksperimentov. And I specifically want to do a shout out to the Hišo folks because the energy and the ideas and the love that they have has been a true inspiration to me. I've been able to be part of many programs over in Slovenia. I've been able to have people from there come over here. And it's been one of the best things I've ever done. It's fantastic. And there's little bits of Slovenia that come home with me every time I visit. And Casey, you might remember this from class.
I do.
This is a little thing that I use for talking about simple harmonic motion. And this one's named Miha because Miha's the director of Hišo Eksperimentov. This is little Miha, and Miha is actually in the textbook on which I'm co-author. So a little bit of Slovenia comes home with me every time I visit. It makes its way into my daily life, as does so many things in Hišo Eksperimentov. Happy birthday, folks. Thanks very much.
Hišani, navadna hiša, res ni hiša kar tako. To hiša je eksperimentov, v njej vedoželjnim je lepo.